Hello all, I am Amrita Kulkarni. Welcome to Amrita's Blink. In today's video, we are going to see practice problem on the chapter numbers. The video is very much appropriate for class 4 students who are studying from state board, CBSE or ICSE board. The video is also targeted for students who are preparing for competitive exams. Class 3 students and class 4 students can run through the video to understand basic concepts in mathematics as well as in order to solve more and more practice problems. In the first part of the video, we will cover revision problems on 3-digit numbers. First problem. Using any of these number cards, make 10 3-digit numbers and read them. Now, in this video, 10 number cards are given. Each card has a unique digit printed on that. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. Now what you need to do is you need to create 3-digit number out of these cards. So just imagine you have 10 different cards in front of you. So you can pick up any 3-digit and you can make a 3-digit number out of it. So let's say first I have chosen first card, second card and third card. So we can create 1, 2 and 3. Now let's say I have skipped 1 and I have taken number next card, that is 4. So next number can be 2, 3 and 4. Now let's skip 2 and let's have the next number, that is 3, 4 and 5. Similarly we can create 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8, 7, 8, 9, 8, 9, 0, 9, 0. Now 9 and 0, we need to have one more card. So we will again start from the first card. So 9, 0 and 1. But now if we move ahead, we cannot have 0 at hundreds place, because if we have 0 at hundreds place, then the number will be 0, 1 and 2. And when there is a 0 at thousands place, so ultimately it is nothing but a 2-digit number. And in the question it is been asked that we need to create 3-digit numbers. So we cannot have 0 at hundreds place, rather we can have 0 at tens place or ones place. So 0, 1, 2 will not be allowed. Hence we will have some next number and we will place 0 at tens place or ones place as per your choice. So let's say next number is 203, 304, 403, anything you can make out of your choice. So 10 different numbers using these cards will be 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 0, 9, 0, 1 and 2, 0, 3. Now we will continue this video in the same format, that is question followed by its answer. But what I suggest you is when I display the question in the video, you are requested to pause the video, try to solve the question on your own, and once you are done, once you have solved the question, you can just verify your answer, you can just cross check your answer, and in case your answer is not correct, then you can come back and understand, and you can always cross check your answer, you can always cross check your steps. We'll move to next problem. Next problem. Write the following numbers in words. 3, 2, 5. Now in this problem, 5 is at ones place, 2 is at tens place and 3 is at hundreds place. So the number would be 325. Then we have 5, 4, 9. Now here also 9 is at ones place, 4 is at tens place and 5 is at hundreds place. So it would be 549. Next is 6, 6, 7. Now here 6 is at hundreds place, another next 6 is at tens place and 7 is at ones place. So the number would be 667. Now next is 7, 8, 2. So here 7 is at hundreds place, 8 is at tens place and 2 is at ones place. So the required number is 782. Then we have 890, 890. Next is 401. So we have 4 at hundreds place, 0 at tens place and 1 at ones place. So the number is 401. So I hope you understood how to read 3-digit number in words. We'll move to next problem. Now exactly in a reverse way, here what we need to do is we need to read the numbers which are given in words in figures. 102. Now it is 102. So from the problem we can understand that 2 will be at ones place. 100 means 100 is at hundreds place, but no digit is given at tens place, so the required number will be 102. Now next is 320. 300. So the digit at so the digit at hundreds place will be 3. After that 20. So 20 is 20. That means digit at tens place will be 2 and digit at ones place will be nothing but 0. So the number is 320. 567. Now the third problem is a bit easier one because all the digits are given for all the places, hundreds place, tens place and ones place. 567. So 5 is at hundreds place, 67, 6 is at tens place and 7 is at ones place. So it would be 567. 445. Similarly, this first 4 is at hundreds place and from this 45, this 4 is at tens place and 5 is at ones place. So the number is 445. 999. Now all the digits are 9. So 900. So at hundreds place there is 9. 99. So tens place there is one more 9. At ones place there is one more 9. So the required number is 999. 756. So 7 is at hundreds place, 5 is at tens place and 6 is at ones place. So the number is 756. Now we'll move to next variety of problem. Right? Next 3 numbers. So these kind of problems are perfectly based on your counting skills. So let's suppose one number is given, let's say 1 is given and you need to write next 3 numbers which are followed by and you need to write next 3 numbers which are following 1. So next number after 1 is 2, next number after 2 is 3 and next number after 2 is 4. So the answer would be for 1 it would be 2, 3 and 4. Now first question is 399. So what you need to do is you just need to add 1 and you will find the next number. So 399 plus 1 will be 400. One more number we need to find out. So 400 plus 1 is 401. Now 401 plus 1 will be 402. So the next 3 numbers for 399 is 400, 401 and 402, that is 402. Now similarly for 200. So 200 plus 1 will be nothing but 201. 201 plus 1 will be 202, that is 202. Now 202 plus 2 will be nothing but 203. So 3 numbers which are following 200 are 201, 202 and 203, that is 201, 202 and 203. Now 597. So 597 plus 1 is 598. 598 plus 1 is 599 and 599 plus 1 is 600. So next 3 numbers for 597 is 598, 599 and 600. Now in the previous question what we were doing is we were adding 1 to each number to find out the next number. Now here what we need to do is we need to find out previous number. So what we need to do is we need to subtract 1 each time from the given number so that we'll be able to find out the previous number. Now first is 600. So 600 minus 1 would be 599, that is 599. Now next, in order to find out next number, 599 minus 1 is nothing but 598. Now 598 minus 1 is nothing but 597. So the previous three numbers for 600 are 599, 598 and 597. $369. So 369 minus 1 is 368. 368 minus 1 is 367. 367 minus 1 is 366. Next question. 299. Now 299 minus 1 is 298. 298 minus 1 is 297. 297 minus 1 is 296. Thank you for watching the complete video. In next video, we will be covering 4-digit numbers. Do subscribe Amrita's link to stay tuned. We are also conducting specialized online batches for Olympiad, scholarship and other competitive exams. In case you are interested to join, please WhatsApp on the number displayed on the screen 86258 90471. Thank you.